This is what the kids have been waiting for this entire trip, to get to Legoland in Denmark. What do you think of this one, Debs?
Cool.
Enjoying Legoland?
Yeah.
Quick build, in line, off we go.
Okay.
Top of an abandoned graveyard. So when he died, much.
Is it? No. Yeah, it's gotta be this way, somewhere. Right, what you got, buddy? Little monster,
It's a
cute
duck.
little duck.
It's a duck.
There's Devon's duck. Now we've got a platypus. Good work on the platypus, Maddie.
Maybe I'm gonna take my shoes off.
That's alright. They'll dry out quickly. Well, got a little bit more soaps than what I thought. Oh well. There's even a little drying spot. Oh, this is the life. Got a big hand dryer. Oh, yeah, completely soaked. There we go. Yeah.
It's me. Me.
See inside. Now you get to build and display. So there's our efforts. Now we just got to race them. Alright, ready, Debs? Yep.
2, 1, go.
Oh.
Or not.
Oh, not. So that's Lego House. Yep, that's what we're going to go to on Saturday. see the girls behind us as well. Right, take us under the bridge, Devs. Now Devon is in his happy place. It's a beach day for us. We've come to Vejas Beach on the west coast of Denmark. It's pretty much the westernmost point of the country. I'm just going to grab some lunch from this cute little beach town before driving onto the beach. I've discovered some famous Danish chocolate milk since 1951. You can actually drive your cars along the beach along that way, but then on this side of the little stream there's no cars allowed, so a bit of a wider beach. Kids are gonna run up in the sand dunes, and we're gonna search for some amber as well, which gets washed up along this coastline, but I don't like our chances. It's usually after a storm that you have better luck, but we'll give it a go anyway. Testing for amber. What's the verdict, Maddie?
So a lot of rocks and a lot of amber.
A lot of maybe amber, but probably not. So as you can see, the wind blows the sand everywhere. Just completely covers everything if you leave it. Today we've come into Billund to see Lego House, which is a separate complex to Legoland, and Lego House is more about building and the experience. Alright, here we are, just getting ourselves sorted before we head in.
Yeah, it's Tuesday. Wait, why?
And you can get a bag of bricks. Yep.
This just dropped down.
Fresh bag of bricks. Straight out of the machine. Whoa. Straight into the minifigure build, huh?
Back there with piles of Lego just breaking.
Chuck your little dude in. There you are. The chef, Devon the chef.
2012.
Building race cars. Show us your thing, Maddie.
So it's a car and it's got a seat. He's got a seat belt, a crash dummy test thingy.
Nice. Anna's one. My one. And Dev's, how you going, buddy?
Good.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's going to be interesting.
Take a photo. Yeah.
Hang on, Med. Hang on. Okay, go.
The crash Tisk tisk dummy army.
Quick breakout on the terrace. It's way hotter out here. Contributions. That's cool. How's it going, guys? Doing your stop motion stuff?
Yeah.
Wow. So, bit of a quieter day today after all the excitement at Legoland and Lego House. So we've come to some nature area. We might expect to see some otters, red deer, a lot of birds. Typical Danish landscape. Heading south today, back into Germany, but we've stopped halfway in Ribe, which is Denmark's oldest town. Our final stop on this 4-month round trip from Holland down to Turkey and back. We're just in the German town of Lier, which is right on the Dutch border. Here for a couple of nights before heading back to Rotterdam. We're just exploring the little town now. It's right on the river. It's very, very quaint. Back to the good old Kibling again.